Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. In this occasion, we're going to do a new construction window installation. The difference between new construction and replacement window is nailing flange that you use to install the window. And you're going to install it from the outside of the house. Okay? Tools you're going to need a hammer, flashing, knife, nails, and in this case I got a heat gun because it's kind of chilly over here, just to make sure the flashing works. And you need a level. Okay? First thing you want to do is dry install the window, just to make sure it's going to fit perfectly in the hole. Okay? You know it fits. Now we prep the opening. Prepare the opening so that water doesn't get in there and rot out your framing. Okay? It doesn't matter what method you use. The main deal is keep the water out. All right? You stretch it back. Yeah, that's nice and level. And that's nice and level. Now we just got nails. I like to start at the corners and then double check. Okay, once you get your window inside and all tied up and installed, notice that I use all the nail holes. Some people do, they skip one. The holes are there, so I use them. Flashing. Always keep in mind that you want to keep water out, so start at the bottom. Then you're going to run up the sides. Do the same thing on this side. Inside, you want to use a low expansion foam to seal around the gap so that you don't get any air.